The purpose of this video is to walk you, the admin, through the process of adding users to your Awardco professional platform. There are two ways through which users can be uploaded into your platform. 1. Manually by a one-by-one basis. 2. Through the upload of a CSV file containing your entire user roster. Let's start with a manual upload. Once you have logged into your platform, you will need to navigate to the admin side or backend of the platform. You can do this by clicking on the admin button found in the right-hand side of your homepage. From here, you will click on the Users tab and then the Add User button. It is important to note that in adding users manually, you will only be able to add one user at a time. The new user form consists of the employee ID field, first name, last name, role, and then the email, password, and notify user field. The role field refers to the user's role within the Awardco platform and not within your organization. By selecting Yes from the Notify User dropdown, the platform will automatically generate a login email for the new users once you submit the form. If you elect not to send an activation email, users will not receive any type of notification alerting them that an account has been created on their behalf. Once you have verified that the information is correct, you will click Save and the information can then be visualized within your user roster. If you are dealing with a large employee roster, the manual upload process may be too time-consuming and you will be better off uploading your user list as a comprehensive CSV file. This feature can also be used to make changes or edits to the user information of a large number of employees. To upload users via CSV, you will navigate back to the Users tab and instead of clicking on the Add User button, you will select the Upload CSV option. Uploading a user roster via CSV requires a specific file formatting. You can export a pre-formatted file template directly from the platform by clicking on the Download Template button. Once you have populated the CSV file with your employee information, you will need to make two decisions. First, you will need to decide whether you are simply adding users or if you are adding and archiving users. If you choose this first button, all employees appearing on the current user roster that are not already in the system will be added. Also, any users in the platform who are not on the current roster will be archived and their access to their account will be cut. Again, by selecting this option, any employees currently in the system but not on this user file will be removed from the platform. The secondary Add Update button will simply add new users and will not archive any users. Next, you will need to choose whether or not you would like to send activation emails to the new incoming users. This activation email can be helpful in assisting new users with accessing their account. The next step in the upload process is selecting your user file here. With the correct file having been selected, you will have the ability to preview your data before saving it by clicking on the Preview button. Keep in mind that any formatting errors in your file will prohibit it from being uploaded. If you are archiving users not found on the current user list, then they will appear highlighted in red, just as new users appear in green and existing users are left in white. If your file contains any formatting errors, you will be unable to upload the user file until those errors have been corrected. Keep in mind that incorrect data will not be flagged by the system, and so it is critical that you verify the accuracy of your user files prior to upload. Once the file is uploaded, you will be able to visualize those changes in your user roster.